கார்த்திக் அவர்களே, சுஹாசினி గారు, அதிதி గారు, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். இதுக்கு மேலே எனக்கு ஒரு வேர்டு கூட தமிழ் தெரியாது, மன்னிச்சுங்க. It would be a bit awkward if I speak in English, but I'm accustomed to speak only in my mother tongue when I'm in public speeches. So please bear with me. Last year, ఓకే బంగారం, ఈ సంవత్సరం చెల్లియా కాటర్ వీసింది. ఈ రెండు సినిమాలకి ఇట్స్ ఎ గ్రేట్ ప్రివిలేజ్ అండ్ ఆనర్ టు వర్క్ విత్ యూ సార్. ఫ్రమ్ మై హార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ హార్ట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ. ఆ పిక్చర్లో ఉన్నటువంటి మూడ్ని క్యాచప్ చేయడానికి, వాళ్ళ భావాలను వ్యక్తపరచడానికి నేను కొంత స్వేచ్ఛని అడిగినప్పుడు, ఈ విషయం నేను కింద సంవత్సరం కూడా చెప్పాను, ఐ వాంటెడ్ a lot of independence to write this song. I should not be restricted to certain lip and other things. And Mani sir has given me that much of freedom. So he told me only one thing: whatever you feel, and that's such a great narrator of this story. So he will take you into his world. We travel along with his world. So you feel the characters, you feel the story, and you express yourself without bothering the Tamil songs or whatever it is. So that's a great freedom. I even may not get in my own Telugu at times. And particularly Ramanji, though I did not see you in person while writing these songs, I had been totally feeling you along with my side while I was struggling, continuously listening to your tunes, imbibing them. And ముఖ్యంగా ఏఆర్ రెహమాన్ గురించి నేను ఒక విషయం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను, చాలా రోజులు బట్టి చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ఒకనొకప్పుడు నేను ట్రైన్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తూ ఐపాడ్లో రెహమాన్ గారి పాటలు మాత్రమే పెట్టుకుని వింటున్నాను. దెర్ వాజ్ అ డే ఐ వాజ్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఇన్ ఎ ట్రైన్ అండ్ లిసనింగ్ టు యువర్ సాంగ్స్ ఓన్లీ. దెన్ ఐ ఫెల్ట్ వన్ థింగ్: Rahman is anything, anybody but a music director. He is not at all a music director. If one has to call him as a music director, the comparison comes: a good music director, a better music director, or a best music director. His music, his expression is definitely on some other pedestal than music director. So our pedestal ki name undadu. There is no name for the pedestal. Yet we have not a name to that pedestal what it is. But one thing I can tell you, we can't dare to call Tyagaraja Swami as a great musician. Though he is a musician whose songs we always sing, and the great personalities and the great musicians sing his songs, but nobody dares to call him as good musician. We don't even dare to call Shankaracharya as a great poet, though it's the greatest poetry ever has been written. Likewise, A.R. Rahman's music is not something music, not even magic. It is something, a mantra, a sadhana, another pedestal. So I feel very happy to write to his tunes. Almost more than 50 to 60 songs I have written. I think one first right film, and how cooperative he is with the lyric writers, I can only tell because I experienced it. But once he has written in one language and I have to write it dubbed version, it would be very difficult to travel with those so many varieties and layers. But still I enjoyed it a lot. ఆ తెలుగుతనం రావడానికి నాకు రెహమాన్ గారు ఇచ్చినటువంటి కోఆపరేషను మాటల్లో చెప్పలేను, మన మణిరత్నం గారు ఇచ్చిన కోఆపరేషన్ మాటల్లో చెప్పలేను. తర్వాత ఇంటర్నెట్లో చూసినప్పుడు చాలామంది తెలుగు పాటలు చాలా బాగున్నాయి అన్నప్పుడు నాకు దట్ ఇస్ మై ఓన్లీ ఇంటెన్షన్. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళేటప్పటికి ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ది తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ టు లిసన్ టు సమ్ బ్యాబ్లింగ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ not the right or wrong of translating some other language, but every language has its own idiomatic expression. It can never be translated. One should not try to translate one idiom into another idiom. It should be transcreated. So I have observed this film, I've seen many times the songs, and particularly the performance of Karthik and Aditi is mind-blowing, wonderful. I have written one word, that's a beautiful word, I'm telling you. Mansu Amani, that means winter spring, wintry spring. Actually, you can't find any colors in winter. He has shown a beginning, a song-like thing where it is so colorful. Then I have written Mansu Aman and I told him, you have shown me so many colors in just a white snow. That is the reason why I have written. There are so many subtle experiences, so many subtleties to explain, but I don't want to take much of your time. Thank you very much, Maniji. And while I completed my work and we were coming, I requested Maniji only one thing, and the request automatically may be endorsed to Rahmanji also. Give me one chance a year to write your songs. That would be enough for me to be proud of myself and to be nearer to the people also. Thank you very much.
Please subscribe. Please do subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.